Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to boost your productivity on your iPhone, how to manage the time on your iPhone. So to manage the time on your iPhone, we need to operate the focused. How to find a focus? We need to go into this upper side. You just need to slide this right corner side here down to access the shortcuts, and after that you can see the focus will be here. So you just need to go click this part, and after that you need to adjusting or settings these focus. For example, do not disturb focus, and this do not disturb focus you can also adjust in what notification or what application that you allowed to use whenever you activate this focus. If you don't want have any application on this focus, you just need to not allow for everything. Okay, and after that, to activate this automatically, for example, you need to work from 9 to 5, you just need to go at the schedule, and you can set this schedule here by just create the time when will this focus be activated. For example, from Monday to Friday, and you have a free day on a Saturday and Sunday, you just need to click it to inactivate it and make sure that the time is just correct. So the focus will be active, the do not disturb focus will be active from 9 to 5 on your work hours, and after that you just need to go click done, and this focus will be automatically active at 9. Okay, let's go back. Whenever we work, sometimes we have a break times, so you can just go into the free and you can just choose what application that you can use for on a free focus, and you can also start automatically by go click add schedule. Make sure you just need to add the correct time when you start the break, for example at 13 and until like 14 here every day, and just go click done. So whenever you have a break time, your phone will be automatically in a free focus, so that all of the notification, all of the application will be entering your phone. So that's the way how to boost your productivity on an iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.